Hello, Class 4-1 Orange Group. Mr. Waterman here with the second half of our language arts lesson on Friday, February 4th, 2022. Time is flying. Okay, so yesterday you needed to answer the comprehension questions. I'm only going to go over a few of the answers because as you went on through the comprehension questions, I needed to get your opinions about what you thought about some of these questions. So there's no right or wrong answer, okay? I will go over questions 3 and 4. So question 3, which country did kindergarten start? Down here. A long time ago, a German man started a new kind of school, right? So we know it started in Germany. Kindergarten started in Germany. Okay, I don't like my E in kindergarten. There we go. And then question number 4. What was the reason why the first schools started? So if you looked through your story, we needed to look through, right? All around the world, children go to school. Some children spend most of their day at school. Others spend only a few hours a day. And then we learn that schools are different in different parts of the world, but they are all the same in one way. Schools are where children go to learn, right? Then as we went on, we talked about school buildings and communities, right? And then down here, we said the first schools were started to teach children about their culture. So I'm going to use an adjective in my answer. They were started to teach children about their culture. Okay. Then, for question 5, it said some students use computers to learn from home if they live too far away from school. What are some other reasons why students might have to learn from a distance? Well, I gave you a hint yesterday. I said COVID. So, in cases of a pandemic, such as COVID-19, students might have to learn from home. Okay, so those were the answers for questions 1 through 5. Now I'm going to skip ahead and I'm going to go to the last page here, which is fact and opinion. So the directions, it says to circle F if the statement is a fact. That should say if. And circle O if the statement is an opinion. Okay? I'm going to read through each statement. So you know a fact is something that can be proven. It can be proven true, right? Tokyo Tower is in Tokyo. That's a fact. You know, an opinion is something that someone thinks, right? Everyone's opinion's different. What if I said that Nene chicken tastes better than Family Mart's chicken? That's my opinion. Some people might agree, some people might not. Listen to each sentence. 1. All schools are the same. 2. American students usually start their day by saying the Pledge of Allegiance. 3. All schools are places where people go to learn. 4. Schools have been around for thousands of years. 5. Students never go outside to learn. 6. It is never safe to ride a bicycle to school. 7. Going to school online is better than going to school in person. 8. Some teachers give lessons over the radio. 9. Wearing a uniform is best for learning. 10. In cold weather, students wear clothes that keep them warm. 11. Students should go to school all year. 12. Not all students go to school at the same time. 13. Students should not eat meals at school. 14. Some teachers think field trips are good for learning. 15. One important job for teachers is to help students read. 16. Students should learn more than one language at school. 17. It is important for students to learn many subjects at school. 18. Learning how to use computers at school is not necessary. 19. Students should help clean their school. 20. In Japan, students take turns serving lunch to each other. 21. Students should have a tutor if they need help. 22. Saturday school for Korean is important for some students. 23. Some students go to special schools to learn. 24. Children should not have jobs. And 25. Homeschooling is not a good way to teach children. Now, let's do a few together. 1. All schools are the same. This is not a fact. This is an opinion. Schools are not the same. They're different. You learn different things in different schools. 2. American students usually start their day by saying the Pledge of Allegiance. This is a fact. Okay? 3, all schools are places where people go to learn. This is also a fact. Okay? Really simple, easy activity for you to do. Just in case you need help, go back and look at the story again. And that's it. Take care, students. You have enough work to keep you busy in language arts with all of the writing, with grammar, and then the fact and opinion page. If there are any activities that you did not finish, please go back and finish them. If you have any questions, feel free to email Mr. Waterman. If not, take care, stay safe, and have a great weekend. Hope to see you all very soon. Bye-bye for now.